If you import your model and if you want to move it in a scene, you can use these transformation tools. And if you select it in this tab, properties, you can type any number for position, rotation, and scale. For changing the position of that, you can click on a translate tool, and this 3D gizmo will be appear, and you can move it in any direction that you want. The shadow will be updated soon. Nice. And going up the floor. And if you want to drop it at the floor, you can use drop put on the floor. Boom. Or if you go in the floor, you can put it on the floor again. So you can use it. Or you can move it in 2 axes, both. Again. The rotation is based on center of the software. If your model going there, you can see the rotation is not good. For example, we have 2 model, another logo from here, and you can see its rotation based on them. But if you want to change the rotation, you can change the camera center. Change it. The camera center is this gizmo. The rotation will be based on that. You can, with the move tool, move it. And now you can see the rotation is based on this model. Nice. And if you want to zero it again, you can come here, double click and type 0, 0, 0, and it's come to center again. So this is an camera center. You can change the pivot point of the rotation. But in this software, we just actually insert one model at the center and it will be rotate based on that. This tool is cancel tool. It's a selection. If you are in these tools, we go into that, you can cancel that tool. It's a null tool. Again, we can select and delete that and select it and move it. Type position 0, 0, 0 in transformation tab here to make it. If it in a Z, you can put it on the floor. Select it, put it on the floor, and it will be, I think it's a little, nice. And the rotation is back. Another tool is rotation. Select it, and you can rotate based on any axis that you want. Control Z to back, and scale it. You can scale it in any axis based on the bottom of the object. And if you click on this cube at the center, you can scale it uniformly. Okay. Another thing is this. If you want to focus on your object, you can use select that. You can use fit to object, fit to view. Boom. And the fit to view window will pop up, and you can padding if you want. You can turn it just selected object. It means if you select object, it will be snapped to that, the view snap to that, including children. Children, you saw it before, that car, door, this is a car, door, wheels are sub models are children called, and keep aspect if you want, it's okay. If you have some other model that they are far from each other and something like that, if you deselect everything, if you fit to view, you just fit all the model in the view, and these are gray out. But if you want to select that, fit to that to view. But if you deselect everything, fit to view, it fits all objects in the view. Okay, that's it.